Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain how a skimmer swimming pool works. Most of us use swimming pools, but we never notice how the water stays clean. I'm going to explain this using simple pictures on my laptop only, so anyone can understand. Okay, this is a skimmer swimming pool. The water level is below the pool edge. Okay, let's move towards the actual swimming pool photo. So this is the swimming pool. This type of pool is called the skimmer swimming pool. Okay, it is mostly common used in home, villas and small hotels. In a skimmer swimming pool, the water is collected from the top surface of the pool, not from the edges. Here you can see the small openings. These openings you can see. This is used to collect the water, or the water will flow towards this side. Okay, the skimmer job is very simple. With skimmer, this small opening is called skimmer. His job is very simple. It will collect the floating dirt like leaves, dust, insects and oils and from the water surface. Okay, in the skimmer swimming pool, the water level is kept slightly below the pool edge. Now you can see almost 15 to 20 centimeters below from the pool edge. These gaps help the surface water move towards the skimmer easily, so the dirt is removed before it sinks into the bottom. Means the dirt and these things will go to these skimmer boxes. This box and this one all. Okay. Now we are going to show you. Okay, this is a skimmer swimming pool. This is a flow diagram actually. Okay, this is a swimming pool. When the pool pump is turned on, water is pulled from the skimmer. This is the skimmer. Okay, this water goes into a machine called a filter, which removes dirt and impurities. Now you can see this is the skimmer. Water is going from here to this point, from the base inlet also, base drain, and this one is a vacuum point. All these points, they will collect water from here. It will go pass through the pump and it will go to the filter for cleaning, which will remove dirt and impurities. After cleaning, water is sent back again from the inlet to the swimming pool, to the small outlets and the wall. I will show you also. Skimmer pools are mostly popular because they are easy to maintain and cost is less compared to other type of pool. That's why they are mostly used in residential projects. So you can say this is the very basic thing. This is the skimmer box. Water is going through here and then dirt is collected here. So see, this is the very basic and simple working of a skimmer swimming pool. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and also comment below if you want me to explain our flow or infinity pools next. So this is general photo. Thank you everyone.